Welcome back. This is the Up and Live Show, and we have here on stage right now the hottest UK female dancehall artist. She's right here inside the building, going to be performing for us. Look at Dainty. The stage is all yours.
Ready?
Ready.
Thank you. Drop it. Hot girl segment. Yo. Don't worry about me, cause me not worry about you. Not like me care, but me wanna know who is you. Chuck. Them say man not fish here, but me a wife of the year. Me and you are not the same, so there's nothing to compare. Hey girl, don't pass your place because you get a one wine. So what him no loyal, you that a mankind. Yes to me, don't stress over man, my girl, I'm so fine. And my body no pop down, so my wine can't make a girl know. And me carry a tiger, I'ma wear the ring. So go and cuss over him, go and fight over him, make a girl know. And me carry a tiger, yeah, I'ma wear the ring. Mama tell him, let me liquor. Yes to me, I cannot fight over man, so my girl please understand. Me a wife, you a whore and a fan, so in a me league you can't stand. Why me and my man are your problem? I must ring for the finger, I'm at them. You get a one night stand, but I give me. Yo, listen me. Don't pass your place because you get a one wine. So what him not loyal, you that a mankind. You see me. No stress over man, my girl, I'm so fine. And my body no pop down, so my white candle make a girl know. And me carry the tiger, I'ma wear the ring. So go and cuss over him, go and fight over him, make a girl know. And me carry the tiger, I'ma wear the ring. So go and cuss over him, go and fight over him. Stress free, me no worry about the man. Stop living on my DM on Instagram. Wedding and bright dress, that's my plan. You see, say you have no ambition. Why me and my man are your problem? I must ring on the finger, I'm at them. Yeah, they get a one night stand, and we get the host of the land. Dash! Hey! Big up all the man there in the house. I say one of the girls there. It's Dainty. Come over here, so baby. Lay down, get cozy upon my bed. Tonight, me, I go drive you crazy. Take off my clothes, make you run my body red. Boy, you got my head spinning, no kidding. I just can't deny it. Tonight, I some love making, bed shaking. See, don't go and make me right. Boy, when you slide it inside me, you make me feel like I wanna fly. Hold my legs, say I'm undivided. Sink it in, boy, make me cry. Sex feels, you make me get wet when you put it on. Don't ever charge. Sex feels, right on it like a damn Ducati. Hey, boy, my hand. Sex feels, it's sweet like ice cream. I know nothing funny when me mix the grape nut with the nutty body. You make me feel. Oh God, when I like boy, you got my head spinning. No kidding. I just can't deny it. Tonight I some love making, head shaking. See them boy make me ride. Boy, when you slide it inside me, you make me feel like I wanna fly. Hold my legs, say I'm undivided. Sink it in, boy, make me cry. Sex feels, you make me get wet when you put it on. You are my one charge. Sex feels, right on it like a damn Ducati. Sex feels. Tonight, I go drive you crazy. Take off my clothes,
have it, the baddest UK female artist right here inside the Open Live Show. I told her that she was bad. She was very sassy, very spicy, and all these things. But anyway, any last words before we leave?
Just thanks for having me and continue to do what you're doing. I want to give a shout out to my team, Glendivan Records.
Yeah.
Big up on yourself. People, make sure to visit the website. It's www.glendivanrecords.co.uk for all new music.
Yeah.
The hats, clothes, everything. Look at Dainty single, Sex Talk, No. All the Glendivan artists you can find on there. So.
But before you go, one question. I've seen something. I want to know if it's official or it's what. Something that where you did like a collaboration with what's the artist's name again? Kaleido?
Oh yes, definitely. Thank you for reminding me. God.
How did that
Sex
come about?
Talk remix.
Yes.
Look out for it with Kaleido. Video is coming soon also. I mean that came about with Big Bro linking up with Kaleido and
Yeah.
the link just make and it happen.
And it happens. And it happens right here. You heard it first right here
Right
on the Upper
here
Live Show.
first.
Yeah. Remember, as if you're watching this from home right now, make sure you go onto the website, subscribe to the World Mag website, send us your music, get in contact with us, and we get in contact with you. You could be the next person on this show right here, just like Little Dainty.
Most definitely. Keep it locked to Up and Live. Liquid Dainty signing out.
Peace. We're out.